Hi guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Thank you guys so much for clicking on my video. So in today's video, I'm going to be taking you guys on a vlog with me. I have to go to the dentist and I have an appointment by 2 o'clock. It's currently 11:58. It's currently 11:58. That is 12 o'clock already. So I have like 1 hour, 2 hours, 1 hour, 1 hour 30 minutes. But I have a few hours till my dentist appointment, and I'm just going to get ready. I started off by spritzing my face with this St. Ives face mist. I don't wear foundation or like what do you call it, concealer, because I'm trying to get my skin to look nice. So my skin, as you can see, is struggling, and I've been doing this skincare regimen lately, and I don't want to like have anything on my skin that is just going to cause me to break out, because I've suffered with these breakouts now for more than a year and they are fading pretty nicely. I'm going to do a skincare video when everything has gone down, but it's looking promising.
Let's pretend we're alright in the drive-thru. I'm in love with you. Now I know what I should do.
So guys, I'm done with my makeup. Ouch. Should I add some glitter? Should I add some glitter? No. No. But I'm done with my makeup and I'm just going to proceed with my hair, because this doesn't look right. So I'm just going to do my hair. I'm done with my hair. No, I'm not done. So today's hairstyle is going to be up. My god, I look like an egg. But I want to do like a bun. I'm going to the dentist and I'll have to lie down, and I don't want to get up with the back of my head being like a pancake. So I'm going to do a bun right here. I hope I succeed. So let's speed through it also. Ayo. By the way, did I say why I was going to the dentist? I'm going to get my tooth removed. I don't know if I should show you guys the tooth, but it's broken. Is this one here? This here. It's broken and giving me a lot of trouble, and also it's affecting the teeth close to it, so I have to get it removed. So that is the reason why I'm going to the dentist. So back to my hair. Let's see how long my hair has grown this year. So this is it. La la la. I think I need to cut the ends of my hair, but this is the length check. Anyway, this turns so nice. I got this in one take. I usually spend a lot of time trying to get my hair to look good, but today is going to be a good day. I got my hair in one take. Let me get rid of this unruly edges. My eco styler almost finished. I need to save up money to buy new hair products. Trusty old brush. I should have done this earlier. Cute. So now I'm just going to tie my hair with my hair tie, like the downside of my hair with the hair tie, and then wait for it to dry. But let's get ready. Yep. And then I'm just going to wait for a few minutes and my hair will be done. So for the outfit, how do I look like this? For my outfit, this is the top I'm going to wear. This one, it's from Shein. The top is from Shein. My shorts. These are from Pull and Bear. They're actually pants. But I cropped them into shorts. So my shorts are from Pull and Bear, and then I'm just putting on this shoelace. I don't have a belt, so I'm using the shoelace to hold my pants in place, and then I'm going to wear this jacket. This I thrifted. For my shoes, these are the shoes I'm going to wear. They are this Nike Travis Scott, right? Yes, my shoes, Nike Travis Scott. And that is my outfit for today's vlog. So I'm getting smaller and smaller as the video is progressing, but I'm just going to keep this head wrap on for probably a few minutes, 10 minutes, 5 minutes. I'm just going to keep it on for a few minutes, and then we'll be on our way to the dentist.
There's not much to do when all I can is thinking about you. Not doing well, don't know where you are, 'cause you're not here. It's been way too long. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you're safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would.
Is it filming? Ignore my door. Ignore my door right there. I broke it. I actually locked myself outside of my room, so I had to break the door to come in, and it's expensive fixing a door, so it's still like that, but just ignore it. Let me switch off this fan. So hi guys, it's the next day now. I came back from the dentist yesterday, but I couldn't vlog because it was so painful. Like, this side of my face was swollen. I could not really speak, and then I couldn't feel my mouth or the side of my tongue, so I was speaking really funny yesterday. But I went to the dentist and had my tooth removed. Should I show you guys the tooth they removed? Let me show you guys. So the tooth the dentist removed was actually my baby tooth. I am now an adult, but I have two baby teeth in my mouth. They did not come out during puberty, so I still have baby teeth, and this is the one they removed. Let me show you guys. If you don't want to see this, then you can skip this portion of the video, but this is what they removed from my mouth. I had a stitch right there. I'll be going back to the dentist on Saturday. Yes, on Saturday, to have the stitch removed, and then they are going to whiten or wash my teeth. But let me show you guys the tooth they removed. I don't know why I'm doing this, but and if you don't want to see this, then you can skip this portion of the video also. But I'm going to show you guys the tooth they removed. And actually my tooth broke into two, so I have two pieces of tooth to show you guys. So this is what they removed from my mouth yesterday. Can you see it? These two little things that have been giving me so much headache. But the thing is, when I went to the doctor, he said my teeth, I have two baby teeth in my mouth, one this side and the one they removed, and that during puberty the baby teeth did not come out, so I still have them in my adulthood. And this other one, the tooth next to it was like squishing it, so it was like, I don't know, it grew. He explained the thing, but they were just like, there was an impact, so the the tooth was giving me problem, and then it got infected and started decaying. It actually started decaying when I was in high school, but I didn't take it serious or anything because it wasn't as painful as this past few months. So I went there, he showed me the x-ray of the tooth, and I'll put it on the screen, but he showed me the x-ray of the tooth and how like it was, the tooth just, it was like squished in between my two teeth, so it was very tiny. But he showed me the x-ray, and then he told me the other side of my teeth also I have a baby tooth that did not come out, and if that should fall off, there is no other tooth growing underneath the tooth. So yes, I have a baby tooth this side, and this one is also infected. Like there's this, I don't like, if I can't open my mouth really wide, but there's the baby tooth this side, and it's getting dark at the gum area. So the dentist said on Saturday when I go back to get the stitch, the stitch this side removed, they would have to clean my teeth and then fill it in. But yeah, that is it, and I'm back home. It's still a little bit painful, like if I sleep on my side, or like if I smile really wide, it gets really painful. But other than that, that is what happened yesterday. This vlog is going to be a little bit boring, but that is what happened. So I forgot to do an outro, but thank you guys so much for watching my video, and if you have reached this far, thank you so much. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.